Hey everyone, it's time for another Atlas Earth video because the features keep on coming over here. There are a couple new features to talk about with Atlas Earth that was just released on Thursday. So first off, I do want to welcome all the Atlas Earth players from the United Kingdom, which I believe is about a few months early from what I had expected and what I was told that the UK release was going to be. Yeah, I had remembered someone mentioning that it was coming out in September, but it looks like they ended up moving it up. If you need any proof I'm not a developer for them, well, you got it now, y'all. They will be a part of the international tier, so if you are interested in learning more about how Atlas Earth works in your area, outside of the United States that is, you can take a look at all of the Atlas Earth Canada videos that I've created up to this point, or just wait as I'm in the process of making a basic Atlas Earth how-to video, as I haven't actually made a beginner's guide. I've actually noticed this. Yes, I have made an optimal strategy guide. I have made 3 editions of it, and I'm going to have a 4th coming out very soon, but yeah, I don't exactly have a beginner's guide. The optimal strategy guides do mostly require you to know all the features of Atlas Earth first before playing it, so I want to make something that would be something that's like, okay, this is the bare basics that you need to know how to use in order to play it, basically. Now, second, as announced on Atlas Reality's YouTube channel on Thursday, they have released surveys, and it looks like they went with CPX Research, who are amongst the survey spam centers. They're okay, I think. They're not as bad as Samplicious that I see on Swagbucks a lot, that are super annoying and they pay very, very low. But they're not exactly a Tap Research or BitLabs, and there's certainly no homebrew survey provider like MTurk, OnePulse, or Paid Viewpoint. Anyway, if you want to go to it, all you got to do is go down to Shop, come down here where the free Atlas bucks are, and just go to Surveys for Bucks. Now, I haven't actually gotten to this survey yet, so I'm going to go ahead and click Take a Survey. And let's see, we are looking for surveys for you, and there is all of the Atlas bucks and all the different surveys that I can take. The one for 19 minutes for 80 Atlas bucks doesn't look too bad. 5 for 30 Atlas bucks. I guess if you go based off of a 1 or 2 cent per Atlas buck amount that we've kind of put down, basically, that it's about that much. These are actually not bad. Yeah, they're not really that bad at all. And here's a 2 Atlas bucks for 5 minutes. Okay, I would stay away from that one. But yeah, 5 minutes, 30 Atlas bucks. Go through some of these, see if you like them. Maybe even wait for a promotion, because you know they're going to have some kind of promotion sometime down the line for like bonus percentages for surveys, like 50% bonus for an Atlas Earth survey or 2x bonus for surveys. They are slowly turning into, your typical like Bridge Money or Benjamin, just, gamifying the Atlas Earth with the Atlas bucks, basically. Gamifying it with the Atlas bucks, I should say. So I'm liking that. I would like to see more, though, other than CPX Research. I find BitLabs and Tap Research, honestly, the best two. So if they got to those, that would be great, but yeah, CPX Research is alright, I guess. It's better than nothing. Also, over the last couple months, when I explained my progress on my normal Atlas Earth account, a few of you had been asking me where I currently stood on the leaderboard, as I don't really explain where I was on there. Or, wow, look at the... Ooh, I can get this diamond here. That I don't really explain where I stand currently on the leaderboard, exactly how many parcels I've made, how much money I'm actually making on my regular accounts. So, you know what? Cat out of the bag first. The account you see for the Beer Money portfolio is a simulated Atlas Earth account that I created from my calculations using the efforts that I have on my regular account. Now, several of these apps I am making significantly more than what you see on the Beer Money portfolio, either because of referrals, which, thank you to everyone who used my referral codes. I will have a fresh one in the description below for those of you that want to get into the game. And, there's certain things that I can do in the app that a typical player cannot as well with some of the other apps. For example, on Bridge Money, before Earn Plus was added, I only allowed myself 25 coins for video ads instead of 100 because that was all a normal player could get. So, yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at where I'm at on the leaderboard right now. So I'm going to start with the state. You see here in the state, I have 1,299 parcels as of June the 8th. I'm only 4 behind Atlas Master to get to 7th in North Carolina. That's pretty cool. Now, going into country, I'm going to bring myself down here. Just give me a second. So when it comes to the country, I currently rank 299th place. And there is the parcels there that you can see. So yeah, not too bad. I'm about halfway to max 3x. And my portfolio for Atlas Earth, I should say, is made up of 651 common parcels, 405 rare parcels, 185 epic parcels, and 58 legendary parcels. I have had a lot of terrible luck overall with dealing with parcels just in general. My luck has been absolutely horrible. I think I'm in like the bottom 16 or 15 percentile. I'm going to throw these numbers into the Atlas Earth calculator and we'll see just how much I'm currently earning. So here I have put the numbers into the Atlas Earth calculator and it has come up with a distribution percentage in the 17th percentile, so I'm still in the bottom 6th. I just keep having this problem where I'm getting a lot of commons and it's just, I don't know. I'm not quite sure why I've been so unlucky, but you know, that's just the roll of the dice there. As you can see here, my per day earnings is 62.2 cents, considering that I boost 22 hours per day. There is also, this is for the super rent boost. If I boost all 32 hours, I get $14.64. And I do make it a habit that I try to boost all 32 hours when I can. And my monthly earnings is $44.15, which puts me very close to paying back my Explorer Club. I believe I only end up paying about a little under $6 for it after the monthly earnings, which is not too bad at all. So I'm assuming by July I'll be able to actually get into profit even after I add on the upcoming Explorer Club payment that I'll be having for the month. So I'm also going to be getting a couple more parcels here. I should eventually pass Atlas Master sometime this week. I would have passed them after this minigame, the golf minigame over the weekend, but the problem is that there was this issue. Let me show it actually right here. You'll see it on the screen. And you see here that I had this tendency where about 80 to 90% of the games that I was playing over the weekend, the game just froze up before the game actually started. And it put me at enough of a disadvantage that I'm unable to really catch up. So I wasn't quite sure if I could get to top 25, and I really didn't want to play with such a glitched game. I did send a feedback to Atlas Reality, and they haven't gotten back to me as of the time of this recording. It's been close to 2 days, so yeah, to see the minigames even more screwed up than they had already been is not very promising here. Let me close this here. This is going to start becoming a thing, isn't it? Close this. So that's the video, everyone, for this. It's a little bit short. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. It's been a rough last month, as I had mentioned in the month in review. The next video, I'm hoping, barring some kind of another update popping up or something that catches my interest this week, the next video should come out on Saturday, and that will be the Beer Money review on Bling Financial. That was the winner of the last poll last month. So stay tuned for that. I will see you all later. If you like this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Beer Money Engine. Yeah, that's pretty much it, everyone. I will see you all Saturday, if not sooner. Bye, everybody.